What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'd like to go over our new tool sending out to our team, the Fibonacci retracement tool. This is an auto fib tool that you can add to your chart, and it's going to automatically plot those fib levels for you. That way you have those projected targets, but also those pullback areas as well. So if you are a fib trader and you like trading with those Fibonacci levels, this is going to be a great tool for you to save you some time. It's going to automatically plot the levels. So as we see that type of move on WINT, that gap up, that retracement, pull back a little bit, we're going to have that then plot onto the chart for us automatically, and then we can really develop an area of value for possible targets. So we can see WINT, it was a cheap stock under $1. However, it got above this 0% level, hit the first target, hit the second target, did not hit that third target, and that's the only issue I have with the Fibonacci tool myself, is I don't want to get too set on it's got to hit that level for me to take profit, because if we hold out for too long on some of these trades on these low float stocks, it may very well just come right back on us and bite us in the butt. So we just want to be very careful. But if I turn this back off, you'll see as we pull back here, this is an area of value for a possible bounce. You can see this was also a fib level right here. So we got a little bounce off of that fib. Nothing crazy, but this is going to be for those Fibonacci retracement traders who like this tool. I like it personally to project where those targets may be, but I like to use it in conjunction with our other indicators like the 1 minute Bullish Pivot Pro, as this one's going to then aid in entry and exit as well. But again, mitigating that risk. So this is going to give me that pivot zone. This is my signal that this did not hold a level. This is the signal it did not hold that level. So two signals there at the same spot, maybe adds to my conviction of I either should take profit, or maybe if I'm waiting to get in the trade, maybe I should wait before I get into this trade for a bullish signal. So instead, I'm out of the position looking for a bearish downtrend, and maybe you're a short trader where you're looking to short trend something like this. Absolutely fine. You can do so. And this is going to be that automatic tool for us. As soon as that starts to pop and give us that move and then pull back a little bit, then you'll see the fib tool then plot onto your charts. This is going to be a work in progress. We're sending this out to our team before it's really polished off. We do have some settings in there that we want to add for you guys, but we want to hear your feedback as well. So if you have any instructions or feedback that may help you and your Fibonacci tool, let us know in the community, in our Discord community, and I will do my best to get those updates out as soon as possible. But this is going to be our new tool. You guys can find it in your private indicators and strategies. And if you have any questions, I'll see you in Discord. Thanks, guys.
Remember, trading isn't about being perfect. It's about being prepared. If you're serious about improving and want to learn directly from our live sessions, visit bullishboblive.com. We're live Monday to Friday, walking through setups, strategies, and everything in between. Thanks again for watching. Stay focused, stay sharp, and keep growing.